Hello ladies. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad to finally be back. I know it has definitely been a while since my last video. Girl, January has been kicking my butt. But hey, we're back. Finally back into routines and systems of things. And we got a new wig. This one here from our favorite wig company, at least on this channel, Love Me Hair. They actually sent me 2 wigs to try out, so definitely be on the lookout for the next video. But here's the wig we're going to be trying out today. Love Me Hair always sends us some really good goodies, so let's go ahead and open up this package and see what we got this time. We do have the wig, of course. Look at that color. This color is beautiful. They also included this custom wig band. There is a mesh storage bag to store your wig in. An air freshener. I absolutely love these. They usually smell really good. This one looks like it's maybe coffee scented. Do love a coffee scent. We have a box label card in case you're the kind of person to store your wig inside of a box. There is some lace tape. And this is really good for if you don't have lace tint spray or you're not really into makeup or don't want to use makeup. This is good for concealing the knots on your lace and making it look more realistic in the part. And they also sent a set of HD wig caps. And of course, this really cute thank you note and user guide. Now, let's get into the wig. And one thing I've noticed with Love Me Hair wigs and their packages is that it seems like they're really trying to upgrade the experience of buying a wig. And when it comes to having luxury products and luxury experiences, it's really all in the details. The details are what makes the experience luxurious and feel special. And I've noticed that they've been adding a lot of really special details to their packaging and to their wigs. They've been upgrading their wigs a lot. They've been doing things like adding these very detailed tags to their wigs so you know it's a Love Me Hair wig. And all the really cool goodies and everything. It feels like everything is just upgrading. And I love it. Continue with the upgrades. So here is the wig. So this wig is obviously an ombre color and it comes in this water wave texture. I love this brown. I can already see just like in the house how amazing that color looks. It's a really good golden soft brown. This wig does come with HD lace. Here is what the parting looks like. Oh my goodness, look how that just melts into my skin. Now this wig does not come with a full closure or a full lace. It comes with minimal lace, so the lace is only in the parting. The parting is pre-parted over on the left hand side. So the lace is only within there, but it does, in a typical Love Me Hair fashion, come pre-everything, pre-plucked. As you saw, the knots are pre-bleached. It's also, again, pre-parted and pre-styled. And the hair is very soft and bouncy. There are combs in this wig because this wig is meant to be worn 100% glueless, straight out of the box, ready to wear. We have 2 combs up here at the front, and we also have another comb up here at the back. Not only is this wig meant to be worn glueless, it's also meant to be worn very comfortably. There are several different adjustments in this wig, one of my favorite being the stretch fit cap. So if you tend to have a big head or a lot of hair to tuck underneath your wigs, this is going to allow for extra movability and space underneath your wigs. Like I showed you in the goodies, it comes with this elastic band which you attach here. If needed, this is really just for extra security because the wig does already come with adjustable straps back here at the back. And so that is pretty much all of the wig details. It's everything you need to know about this wig. Oh, I forgot to mention, this wig comes in 3 different lengths. I believe 12, 14, and 16. I could be lying. I'll put the correct info up there on the screen. And this wig is in the 14 inch. I could be lying. I'll put the correct info up there on the screen. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair for this wig and show you how it looks straight out of the box. Okay, so my hair is prepped. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. I tend to have a smaller head, so I'm going to tighten or adjust the adjustable straps on this wig a little bit before I put it on. Girl, look at that color. So like I mentioned, this wig is meant to be worn 100% glueless and comfortable. So I am wearing this 100% glueless. All I did was slap it on, adjust it to my hairline a little bit, and that was it. Not wearing any glue or any spray, no hairspray, no, not even edge control, girl. There is nothing there but straight up lace and forehead. Here's an up close on the parting. Now this does come with like a C-shaped parting, and even though it is minimal lace only parted on the left hand side, if you prefer a straighter part, they do give you enough lace at the front to make it straight if that's what you prefer. So you could do that if that's your cup of tea. But that's the only parting that you can do on this wig. If it wasn't obvious already, I love this wig. And I say that about almost every Love Me Hair wig because they do such an amazing job. But I truly do love this wig. It's a really good throw it on and go wig. If you just want to look good and you don't want to have to finesse anything, I didn't even have to use lace tint spray or makeup. And that says a lot. But if you want a wig that you can just take out the box and put it on and go about your business, this is a good one. I love the color. It's definitely an all-season color. A little something something, but not too much. It does come in this gorgeous water wave texture, but it's 100% human hair. So if you get tired of the curls, you can always straighten it and give yourself like a really good sleek bob. And then of course, if you want to go back to the curls, all you have to do is wet it. So it's versatile, it's quick and easy, it's cute, and it's affordable, especially if you use our special coupon code up here at the checkout and save yourself an additional 28% off of your order. And if while you are browsing the Love Me Hair website, you see something else that catches your eye and you want to go ahead and add that to the cart, you can do that as well because this coupon code works for all Love Me Hair products on the Love Me Hair website. So do yourself a favor and use it so you can save yourself some coins. But that's all I have for you today. Why? Because this wig is super quick and easy, as a wig should be. Okay, a wig shouldn't need all that plucking and parting and styling and extra stuff. You should be able to take it out the box, weird as it is. Think about that. Anyway, that's it, girl. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like wig content, you love wigs, I have several playlists over on my YouTube channel for you to go check out. I highly recommend looking at my wig favorites. It has a list of all of my all-time favorite wigs that I have tried. And while you're there, you might as well go ahead and subscribe because clearly this is your thing, okay? And it's my thing too. So let's go ahead and make it our thing. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.